Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide apps and files using your private space on HONOR Magic8 Lite. There is a feature called private space and I'll try to explain all about it so you can easily hide apps and files in there. To do that, go to the settings and then go to security and privacy. Scroll down until you find private space, which I think will be hidden somewhere, so we'll try finding that. Okay, so that will be in the device and data protection, and that's actually called you can do hidden apps. You can just hide them here, but that's not for the video now, because the parallel space is something that I wanted to show you, so let's enable that. Let's enter my current password, then set a new password for the parallel space. It can be different than your typical one, which is great because then it's easier to access it, harder to access it. Then security questions, it is pretty important that you answer them so you can later reset your password if you forget it. So let's do the security question. And then it's creating the parallel space. And as you can see, I'm in there now. There are some apps there, and those apps, well, those apps are different. So let's say I open the gallery here. This gallery does not have all the pictures that I had in my normal gallery. But if I use the camera right here, if I take a picture using this camera app, then if I go to the gallery, now you can see it's in this gallery and it's not in the normal gallery. Then if you see there's recorded, there's files, there's many different things here. You can add apps. For example, let's say add Facebook. And it doesn't mean Facebook will be moved here. It just means that Facebook will be cloned into this parallel space. But I can have different accounts signed in on both, which is great. And let's install it. You can see it is there. I could log into a different account that I have. Normally, I can move files in or move files out by clicking on those buttons right here. Let's try moving files in, and let's go to images. Then let's go to my camera, for example, and there's an image that I have. Let's move it in. And as we can see, now it's not there anymore because there were 3 items. Now I have 2. But in my hidden gallery, it is there. So that is very useful. If you want to close it, just click here and then click on OK. And it's locked. If you want to unlock it, then pinch out, enter the parallel space pin. And as you can see, it's unlocked. I think zooming out doesn't work. You just need to click here. OK. That's basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.